Hey folks, all right, video number 4, man cave work. So I got to clean this area up. I have too much crap laying around. I'm stumbling over stuff. As you can see, I started putting the second layer of insulation in, which runs this way. So we are like, bam, we're doubled up in that cavity, and it's getting close to being airtight up here. I mean, the echo is pretty much gone, and you see the far wall is done, but I've got a couch here that the camera's actually sitting on, and all the stuff that's in the way. So we're going to work on cleaning up this floor, getting all the nonsense out of here, so I can move the couch out of the way and work on a portion that you can't see in the camera. We've got to do this end wall and get it insulated and tightened up. Then we're going to be damn close to starting the whole siding process in here. You know, I haven't decided whether I'm going to use shiplap or, you know, tongue and groove knotty pine or corrugated steel. I have no idea yet what I'm going to do, and but hey, let's just get started, okay? Hang tight. Here's the, this is the forward facing part of the man cave, where you can see the house, you can see the other garage, the street, the driveway, all that stuff. So, much like the wall back there that you saw me do, I have to do the same thing here. I am going to have to build a little bit of bridging here, okay, to carry the ceiling on over. And then we're going to insulate all this, get this buttoned up. And then once that's done, I just have a small part in the corner, and then, you know, a couple small pieces. We'll be ready for starting the finish work. So I'm pretty pumped about that. All right, I got to get some stuff set up. I got to go buy some 2x4s. I ran low, and I need at least one over here to fill that gap in to get my 16 on center. I got to do some patchwork and create some nailers for a couple locations, but for the most part, we are getting close, folks. Now, imagine, if you will. All right, you can't see. I don't think you can see that. Can you see this up here? Nope, you can't. Hang on a minute. Let's tilt the old camera. Now you can see it. All right, I've got a 1/6 scale helicopter that's going to hang from there with the ceiling fan acting as the propeller blades. So I'm really pumped about that to see how that's going to work. It may fail miserably, who knows? But, you know, it ain't easy when you're trying to build a man cave. Yeah, just fill it with the things you love. All right, so, yeah, nothing too exciting about this video other than a lot of cleanup work. And this wall behind me, it's going to have shelves, boom, boom, boom. and there'll be 1/16 scale armor on that wall. Okay, nothing but tanks. And I've got a bunch of those remote control guys, all kinds of Willie Jeep models, you know, action figures, all that kind of stuff. So it's gonna be very, let's just say, a detoxing environment for the veteran. Yeah. All right, what's next? I guess I should go. See ya. Woo, that made me dizzy, man. Don't be spinning in your seat, dude.